Question 1. What happens to the speed of sound as altitude increases? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Stays the same. Justification. The speed of sound depends on air temperature. As altitude increases, temperature decreases, reducing the speed of sound. Question 2. What is the main function of winglets? A. Increase drag. B. Reduce wingtip vortices. C. Decrease lift. Justification. Winglets minimize wingtip vortices, reducing induced drag and improving fuel efficiency. Question 3. What effect does an aft center of gravity, CG, have on aircraft stability? A. Increases stability. B. Decreases stability. C. Has no effect. Justification. An aft CG reduces the restoring moment of the tail, making the aircraft less stable and harder to control. Question 4. As altitude increases, what happens to the ratio of nitrogen to oxygen? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Stays the same. Justification. The proportion of nitrogen to oxygen in the atmosphere remains constant at all altitudes, though overall air density decreases. Question 5. What design feature generates the most lift at low speeds? A. High aspect ratio. B. High camber. C. Low aspect ratio. Justification. A high camber airfoil has a more pronounced curvature, increasing lift generation at lower speeds. Question 6. How does air density change with increasing altitude? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Stays the same. Justification. As altitude increases, air density decreases due to lower atmospheric pressure. Question 7. What is the purpose of a slot on an aircraft wing? A. To re-energize the boundary layer. B. To increase the boundary layer. C. To decrease the boundary layer. Justification. Slots help delay airflow separation by re-energizing the boundary layer, improving lift at high angles of attack. Question 8. If a wing generates lift at zero angle of attack, it means A. The wing is cambered. B. The wing is symmetrical. C. The wing has a positive angle of incidence. Justification. A cambered wing produces lift even at 0 degrees angle of attack due to its curved shape. Question 9. When is the angle of incidence the same as the angle of attack? A. In descent. B. When relative airflow is parallel to the longitudinal axis. C. Never. Justification. Angle of incidence is a fixed structural angle, whereas the angle of attack varies with flight conditions, so they are never the same. Question 10. What happens when a plane flap is lowered? A. Camber increases. B. Angle of attack increases. C. Both camber and angle of attack increase. Justification. Lowering a flap increases the wing's camber, enhancing lift production.